Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of fajitas, a delicious and versatile dish that can be customized to your heart's content. So, let's get started. Fajitas are a fantastic dish that can be made with a variety of proteins, including beef, chicken, pork, or fish. The key to a great fajita is to cook the protein to perfection, ensuring it's tender and juicy. For today's recipe, we'll be using ground beef, but feel free to swap it out for your favorite protein. Now, let's talk about the other ingredients. Fajitas are traditionally served with a side of sour cream, which adds a creamy, tangy flavor to the dish. But don't stop there. You can also add some fresh, crunchy vegetables to your fajitas, such as lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. These vegetables not only add a burst of flavor and texture, but they also provide essential nutrients and fiber to your meal. One of the best things about fajitas is that they're so customizable. You can choose your protein, your vegetables, and even your toppings. For example, you could add some salsa or guacamole for an extra kick of flavor. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you could try a spicy salsa or a unique topping like pickled onions. The beauty of fajitas is that they can be made in a variety of ways. You can grill them, saute them, or even bake them in the oven. The key is to cook them until they're tender and juicy, and then serve them with your choice of toppings and sides. So there you have it, folks. Fajitas are a versatile and delicious dish that you can customize to your heart's content. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, there's a fajita recipe out there for you. So why not give it a try and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills? Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!